Baby, why you call me? Do you feel alone?
Guys, if it's written. Good morning. Abiyem. Oh, yeah. Madam teacher. I'm starting with this awesome liberal cake. And I can't take from it. I'll pair it with egg. Then more CJs eat tea, tapioca. Who are you shouting on? See Sharon. Amy does bill. See Sharon. This is our problem.
Yes. I'm a marine. I didn't give.
No. It's time to go home. It's not breakfast. Not that much. You'll be surprised. Sharon has come. Because of you. No, Kagiwa. Breakfast
Glowing
done.
screen.
Girl.
Glowing screen.
As we've had breakfast.
Wait, let me talk.
Okay.
We've had breakfast. We had the swell breakfast. And now we're going to change because we have a lot of activities to do.
Yo!
Within the resort. Today is bikini day. We're going kayaking, volleyball, beach volleyball by the way. Papa, ordinary volleyball.
Not careless
not
one.
to anyhow. No. Beach volleyball. And then we would have other girls now. I might be doing the same. And then we'll have games now. We're going to chase those in there.
Coordinate,
Coordinate. And we can coordinate ourselves. We're adults.
We're not kids. They're
So
used
we'll
not
chase
to have
them.
fun.
We'll chase them, and so we'll play the main game. Where they are we need to get freaky.
Yep.
Hell.
So. Hi guys. These guys are back here to kayak. Well, I might join them, but for now, I'm not supposed to kayak. They're here. From here, we're supposed to go to the pool or go and play basketball, baseball, something of that nature. But yeah, I'm sure you guys the view. This is the lakeside, and they have the lake view rooms around here. We are at the beach view. This is the lake view. But at the lake view, there are no internet. Like the internet is poor. But the beach view, the internet is strong and very nice. Let me show you some of the rooms. I can't go close. But this. I think inside of this place, I don't know. So we're here and we are done. We then go. You put the cable,
Okay, you can.
they want to carry me go where I don't know. What is entering? It's leaking. It's leaking. The water is not small though. I entered yesterday. It was not like this. It's normal. One hour. I have trust issues. Exactly. I have trust. I should come down. Join us back. I don't know. Bye. I have trust issues with CJ.
Wait, don't come out. She. Did you pack? Yes.
Both of us. And when I'm coming back, you'll do me Wakanda video. Bye, mommy.
On your phone, man.
When she's coming back. People should not do like this. Jesus. This is the life I signed up for. Woo! Yes! This is my lifeguard. Say hi. Woo! Let me show you guys the ambience. Woo! This is beautiful. And I see my view. I'm a passenger princess. That's Ada. Fine girl. That's Sharon looking lost. We get I think an Nigerian movie. Yes. Woo! The breeze. It's on another level. If I fall into water, can I stand? Eh? If I fall into water, can I be able to stand? Eh? It's deep?
No.
Okay. Oh, then you video me if I come near you. Yeah? Oh, okay. Okay, it's not deep. Trying to know the depth of the water, so I'll know that if this thing capsizes, if I will be able to stand, even though I'm on life jacket. I still have to be very careful because I have 2 children. I left them somewhere and came to this country. I'm having fun. Look away, it's Conley and Emily. Hey God, Conley will not put me in trouble. That's the spirits, girl. On your video, I'm coming near you. Your video is still okay. Hi, Yini. Sabu. Okay, it's too much. This is the first time I'm going this far. I'm going this far to meet my men's them. Ooh, this feels so good. Show you guys. Take me on my watch. Emilie, Kadodim. Conley can take risk. See where Conley is. Serious risk taker. I see the person has tied themselves to something. I know do juju. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. See somebody's shoe. No, you could not see it. See the cast and crew. Hi guys. Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
That's all guys.
Wait, did I do your job?
It's work now. Why are you faster than us? It's work now.
Do you know who is Karen? Hey, God, it's beautiful. I'm having the time of my life. Guys, this this is called a fish catcher. These sticks here, they use them to catch fish in the lake. They have it like almost everywhere. Not plenty because of ease of movement. I wish I can do this on my own. I wish I could just stand, do it, use my tripod, something, like have so much fun. But yeah, it's still fun. I'm having so much fun. The place is so serene. Guys, I took my camera and I said I must carry it, but if I die, I die. But yeah, and I'm going to take care of the camera still. But we are in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere. No food, no water. It's like good ultimate message. But it feels so good. The weather is so cool, so calm. Eh? No, I just have my camera. Onye will have phone. Go close to Onye. He's coming to you. Onye the phone on there. I told you go. I am never going to have a phone. I'm going anything. Yeah. CJ is pedaling on his own. CJ and Claudia just a minute. Hi, boo. I shall run another now.
Did they rain themselves?
Yes. Love it. I pity you, Claudia. Time to go back. You can woman. Oh yeah, what? Hi, Ine. Let me snap. I'm sure the water might even increase. Now I'm going to say a lot of this clip because I love it. It's green. Oh, oh. So now going is so much fun. It's like it's easier, yes, because the breeze is taking you that way. But going back to shore, it's more difficult because the breeze is working against you, so you have to pedal harder. If you hear him, he's pedaling harder now, so we can move faster. So yeah, that's why they say it's difficult coming back. My husband is saying he's suffering. His arm is paining him. Sharon said her arm is paining her. Then I say her arm is paining her. But me, Onye and I, we can't relate because we are passenger princesses. That's Onye's own boat, and they are coming forward. They are going back to shore. Where is Ako? Ako! Ako! Fast! I wonder I could take pictures of us. She's running. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know that I can by the way. So please forgive me my mistakes. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Continue dancing now. Move about it. Check it.
My weight bump up.
Ako ano niya? Girl from Barbados. Hey, I got you. I got me nobody not tell. Hey, hey. Hey, get them, we are close. Hey! How do you feel? See, I got sweating.
That's how I feel. It shows on my face.
Hey, get them. Body. This is the beach. Going to play volleyball. Hey, my fridge. My whole legs filled with sand. I have a video too. Let me even do the voiceovers. I have 2 voiceovers too. I hope there will be no noise in the background. I'll try it, clean the noise with my CapCut and see. Guys, I paid for CapCut 1 year and there is this their terms and conditions. It's so annoying, but I don't want to leave it because I still have like 7 months. I did it in February. I still have like 7 months to use it, so I will use it until I'm done before I drop CapCut. I can't do more than that. I can't waste my subscription. So yeah, I'll do it. See when I come. And I got about no white. Alright guys, getting ready for the pool. Let me show you guys. This is my feet. I'm putting an overall over my swimsuit. Yeah, it's not a 2-piece. I need to pack my hair. I need to pack my hair. The only reason I go in the hair is very up. If not, it will tangle. It will tangle, and I'm going to cry because I still have one more serious event to attend this year. Like serious events. I have 25-year-old or 25-year memorial to attend. My friend and clients in Benin, so I'm still going to that. So it's itchy. Okay. Okay. No, you're... Okay, I think it's up enough. The dough is properly locked in. I'll still get a hairband to see it more. Oh, I know the hands are paining me. I actually don't need anything to see it. This fits perfectly. So, sunscreen. Because I'm entering this one, I need a lot of sunscreen. I'm sure I get to the applying on sunscreen. I need to enter the pool because I'm really hot. Maybe when I find the pool, surface kind of cool. Alright, let's go. Let's swim. Guys, we are here to swim. See you near time.
What's up, girl?
So let's go in for a swim and meet the guys. They're already inside the water. Yes. Yes. Like that's you.
Coming. We've been waiting for you. See,
And then are you standing up?
yeah. I'm at my highest point. Highest point.
Living on bench. Idiot. Yeah, we won't carry the bed. Qu'est-ce que Babe, come on, you're up and do the video. And let me do the video with Echo. Baby, show me your bikini.
No, I did videos when we went in the water. I wasn't on my phone now.
$10. Getting ready for dinner. It's 5.
I think they'll be paying them reasonably too. I think they'll be paying them reasonably too. It's not going to be cheap labor. If not, you'll be losing people. Do you understand? They'll be going because you're not paying anything reasonable. They're going to look for better money. Jordan and car kidnap. What? I see. It would be most of it. We're going to have dinner.
Pizza, it mash.
Otu aja a na-agbara ọsọ. But no, but it's not bending. That one was bending.